In a sunlit city, a mobile repair studio travels from block to block fixing electronics with eco-friendly consumables. The charismatic founder uses a compact toolkit and real-time diagnostics to fix devices in under 30 minutes. Customers pay with a simple app that also suggests upgrades and teaches upcycling tips to reduce waste. The venture scales by partnering with apartments and workplaces, converting underused vans into tiny repair hubs. This fresh model turns everyday fixes into community events while proving profitable and sustainable in crowded urban neighborhoods.